Hello, good evening students, and let us have a look over the one more problem from the thermochemistry. Heat evolved in the reaction H2 plus Cl to give 2HCl is 182 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so that is what the question they are saying. Their H2 plus Cl2, it is giving 2HCl, and here heat evolved they are saying, that is the enthalpy of reaction. How much they are saying, student? How much? That is 182 kilojoule. Okay, this is kilojoule. It is 182 kilojoule, right? So that we have to keep in mind. And this 2 is minus sign because heat evolved. Okay, bond energy of HH and ClCl are 430 and 242 kilojoule per mole. So if you talk about the bond energy, so bond energy of H bond H, okay, how much they are talking about? It is 430 kilojoule per mole, and bond energy of, that is ClCl, is 242. This is kilojoule per mole, and this is also kilojoule per mole, and this is only kilojoule. So we have to calculate this in the term of kilojoule per mole. So that is if you can say, that is H2, okay, half H2 plus and a half Cl2, it is going to give HCl. So enthalpy of reaction will be minus 182 by 2 kilojoule per mole, because these all are getting divided. Okay, so how much it is coming? It is coming 291 minus 91 kilojoule per mole. Now you can put out the question what they are saying in the questions. They are saying, thus Cl bond energy, HCl bond energy, they are asking HCl bond energy. So how can you calculate HCl bond energy? So enthalpy of reaction, okay, enthalpy of reaction means what? That is summation of change in enthalpy of reactant minus summation of change in enthalpy of product. So how much is there, students? Here you see reactant, what are these? Are reactant. So 1 by 2, that is bond energy of what? That we can write HH, plus 1 by 2 bond energy of what? Bond energy of ClCl, minus NO. Here the no need to write now, this is summation. Direct we can say that is bond energy, and this is also 1 by 2 we have to calculate it now. So bond energy of HCl, Be of HCl. So let us try to solve it out, students. Here is the enthalpy of reaction minus 91. So put out the value, minus 91 plus 1 by 2 hydrogen HH bond. How much is there? HH bond, here we wrote now HH bond. So HH bond is 430. So we can write that is 430 plus 1 by 2 ClCl bond, how much? 242. So multiply by 242 minus, they are asking bond energy of HCl, they are asking itself. Take out the HCl this side, so that is bond energy, it is HCl is equal to, okay, is equal to how much it is going to be? You solve it out. So is it 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, plus 2 121, and this is going this side, so it will be positive 91. So add it out all, students. How much coming? So that is 5 6 7, this is 7, for 9 to 11, 11 1, that is 12. Okay, and here is 213, that is 427. So bond energy of HCl is 427 kilojoule per mole. So let us try to match it out with the option. Where is the 427 kilojoule per mole? This is our required answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.